Hello, my name is Raphael Webb. I wear a couple of hats here. I am the instructor for a couple of psychology sections. That would be Psychology 100, Introduction to Psychology. I also uh, work full-time with the IT department here at SUNY Oneonta, and I teach my courses with an eye on how the topic at hand is inextricably linked with technology. So you can see I like computers, I like working with all kinds of um, internet technologies, and I apply that to my course as much as I possibly can. Um, so basically, just so you know who I am, I spent 7 years after I got my master's in clinical psychology. I spent 7 years in the developmental disabilities. Worked with people of different levels of developmental disabilities as what was called a behavioral specialist. So I got a lot of experience in that. And then sometime around 2000, I decided to enter the technology bubble, got some certifications in computer technologies, and here I am at SUNY Oneonta. I've been here since the year 2000. That would make this my 18th year here. And about 4 years ago, I started teaching introductory psychology to reconnect with my old life. And I enjoy it tremendously. And I really enjoy bringing the topic to the class, but I also like to teach the class in a way that the students can relate to. Um, to that effect, I have tried to bring the psychology and the technology together. And there's a method behind my madness. For instance, in class, I will use a lot of YouTube, not to so much do the work for me, but to make the point and emphasize my point more strongly than just my voice can do so. So I really leverage a lot of the internet technology out there. I'll also use Facebook, and I'll also use things like Twitter and Instagram, but mostly YouTube. And the students, they seem to get it. They understand and they relate very well to it. And I think that's part of the technique that I try to bring forth to my class. And I hope that they enjoy it. Um, I'd like to try to make these topics interesting. I talk about everything from experimental method to the structure of the brain, to how we learn and remember, to what makes us, what drives us, what makes us do things that we wouldn't do if we actually really thought about them. What happens when our brains don't work the way we're supposed to, and how we can attempt to fix ourselves. So my emphasis is basically on why we are and who we are as human beings. And I hope to be able to leverage the best of technology to bring out the best of psychology in my course. And this is who I am. Thank you very much.